So gorgeous. What a day. Beautiful day. Been hiking along the really pretty river. Just came in view of the mountain climbing, Horn Peak. It's that one right there. I believe that's Sawridge or Sawtooth, something along those lines. But look how jaggy all these are. So gorgeous. Gold is starting to come out. So yeah, that's what we're climbing today. It looks pretty intimidating, but we're gonna do it. We got we're probably maybe halfway. So it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Don't tell your friends. This is amazing. I'm so happy right now. Oh man. It's chilly, but we got gloves this time. So we're good. But yeah, this is, I don't know what else to say. It's just amazing out here. So there's been one waterfall. It's just gorgeous mountains. Beautiful mountains. We're just about to get to some more water right here. All these aspens come back here when it's like more fall. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Yeah, check this out. Gorgeous. Alright, we'll see you guys up there.